Hello sailors, welcome to Builderfly Seller University. In this video, you will learn to customize the blog page of your online store. Content marketing is an organic way to improve the quality traffic on any website. In addition to a quality content is the presentation that can definitely amplify readers' experience. This is your Builderfly Design Editor. From the drop-down, select the blog. This will give you a distinct option for the blog on the left side tab. From here, you can manage your blog settings. Click on Select Template. Here, you will find multiple ready-to-implement templates. Scroll to see more. Select the one of your choice and click Apply to apply. This is how your changed blog page looks like. Now, you can use the toggle button to enable or disable different setting options of the blog page, like publish date, blog description, author name. You can edit the CTA of the blog detail page. Also, you can update the count of blogs that must be displayed on each of the blog page. Updating the settings, click Save to implement changes live on your website. In the next video, we'll help you update static pages of your website. Please subscribe to Builderfly Seller University and stay tuned to our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next tutorial.